Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a spooky, scary ghost. So now let's take apart our Alright, so now that I've got all the pieces separated, I can show you what you will need. So first, you're going to need 2 1x4 flat pieces, 2 googly eyes, 2 1x1 cheese pieces, 1 2x4 piece, 2 1x1 snot pieces, 1 2x2 piece, 1 2x6 piece that is flat, 7 1x2 pieces, and 2 2x2 inverted pieces. So now let's put them all aside so I can show you how to build it. So first, we're going to start off with this 2x6 piece. Next, we're gonna put this 2x4 right here, like that. Then, we're gonna put these 2 1x2 pieces like that. Then we're going to put a 2x2 here, like that, and then place 2 more 1x2s, like this. And then place this right here. So next, we're going to put in the ghost's scary mouth with your 2 cheese pieces, like that. And then we're gonna put our inverted pieces, like this. So it should look like that. But then, let's put this on top with our 1x4 pieces. And then place these pieces right there. So next, we're gonna make the ghost's eyes. So let's put these pieces like that, and then put the snot pieces in the middle. Next, we're gonna add his eyes. And it's gonna face like this. Then we're gonna put this piece here, then that piece there. And that's how you make a Lego ghost. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye!